Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand that's by a brand called Manly. Manli. And pretty much what this is a professional hair dryer that can use the obviously blow dryer here. So when we first open the package itself, you guys can see that there's all the accessories and the product itself. So right here you can see there's a diffuser accessory, so you can actually attach it onto the blow dryer itself if you guys want to. Next up, you guys can see that there's like two more little accessories that you can attach it onto the hair dryer itself. They provide you a little instruction guide or user manual on how to set the product and how to use it. And then last but not least is the actual product itself right here if you guys can see. So if you guys can see, this is basically what the product looks like. This is the plug that they use to kind of attach it on to power it on, but very small and compact device that looks really nice, feels really nice. So basically you guys can see this is what the product looks like right here. There's a logo right here. This side is where you guys actually use the blow dryer here, so the air will come off in this way. If you guys can see right here, this is the air filter, so it actually remove it. So if you guys look at the button option right here, there's 4 different options right here. So the one we're at right now is obviously the off option. If you guys push it up to like right here, that is where it's actually use the cool air function. If you press it up one more time, you guys can use like the heat temperature, which is on a low heat temperature. And the next one up right here is the hottest temperature option. You guys want to like have more heat, and a stronger fan option to kind of blow dry here to dry it off. And then the cool thing about this product itself is that right here, let's look at this little button option right here. If you guys push it up to the top part right here, this would be using like the heat temperature on here or whatever is being set on this side. But if you guys push this button down right here like that, it would actually cool down the products. So that way you guys have the option to switch between like the heat temperature and then cool it down if you guys want to. So that's pretty awesome. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let's actually show you guys how it works and what it actually sounds like when you turn it on, and then come back and talk more about the product. Alright, so I just finished washing my hair. You guys can see all wet. But I want to show you guys the blow dryer really quick to show you guys how it works and how well it works. So you see the mirror right here is like all fogged up. So I'm going to turn it on the highest temperature on here to show you guys how well it works. So you can see that works really well. So let me try out my hair now and show you guys how well it works. Alright, so this is saying it's done. You can see that it worked pretty fast, so less than like 2 minutes, and it's already done blow drying my whole entire hair itself. Quick drying, easy drying, doesn't damage your hair, if you can see. One thing that I do notice about this product though is the fact that it doesn't have like a little hook to hook your little blow dryer. So usually all the blow dryers I have a little hook right here, so I can actually hang it somewhere. This one doesn't have it, so you guys would have to figure out a way to kind of like put this somewhere. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that I saw the test of the product, you can see that actually does work and actually works really well. Really easy to control, really easy to use. Like the option where you can change like the different wind option. You guys can have the natural wind option as well. And on this side, you can control like the heat temperature if you guys want it cool or you guys want it hot. A few things to definitely note about this product from the test itself is that when you guys use this blow dryer or hair dryer itself, it's not that noisy compared to like other blow dryers in the market or the other ones that I've tested in the past. So now that we did the unboxing, testing, and feedback about the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I had to say that this is really worth it if you guys want one and need one. Definitely a huge upgrade compared to other blow dryers that I tested in the past. The low noise, like I mentioned, the negative ion, the option where you can actually control like the wind using natural wind or like high temperature wind or low temperature wind. But obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one, then don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, testing, and feedback with this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have...